Ladies, if your man cannot afford this home, you need a new man, as this one isn't for the broken boys.
No broke boys, no new plans. I'm that bitch, give me my test. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade.
And if he can afford it, this will be your best chance to own an ocean view home in Crystal Cove, as anything else here is more expensive.
No broke boys, no new plans. No broke boys, no new plans. No broke boys, no new plans. No flap, no flap, no flap, no flap.
And if you don't have a man for $12 million, this could be yours.
No broke boys, no new plans. No broke boys, no new friends. No broke boys, no new friends. No flap, no flap, no flap, no flap. No broke boys, no new friends. No broke boys, no new friends. No flap, no flap, no flap, no flap.
And if you're ready to move in, give me a call. This is Chloe. Welcome to your new home.
No new